Hello everyone and welcome to a rather different setup because I'm not actually reviewing a car, but for once I'm doing something inside because boy, it's so hot outside. There are sandstorms, dust storms pretty much every day, 45 degrees temperature. So you get the gist. So which is why I've had a different sort of idea. So let me unbox a scaled model for you. Now, before we open this, let me tell you a little bit of a story. So I ordered this secret car. It's not actually a secret, right? Because I've already mentioned it in the title. So it's a Porsche. So this scale Porsche, I ordered it from Amazon, and the shipment was supposed to come from the UK. And little did I know that this is going to be a long wait. So it took me exactly, I think, 27 days before this package was delivered by Aramax. And the box says that it's a fragile item, but when I touch, yeah, it's all crooked from inside and probably in pieces, hopefully not the car. So in this video, we're going to be unboxing this package and show you firsthand how the whole thing came out and also the car itself, because it is an amazing car. So before we move forward, please consider subscribing to my channel by clicking that subscription button, and next to that there's a bell icon. Make sure to press that and leave all the notifications on, so that way you will never miss any video updates from my channel. Let's start with the unboxing process. So in order to do that, we need this special tool, but a common tool, which is a scissor. So let me first open that. Let me show you the condition of the package first, because it's traveled all the way from UK. So yeah, it's kind of all right from outside, but when you touch it, like you can see this, the cover has already broken on it. So I'm pretty sure about it. So let me just open this. Bear with me for a while I open this package for you. And let me get a sneeze. Oh. It's from Bburago, by the way. So it's not bad actually. Oh, although the side mirror is slightly damaged. And here it is, ladies and gentlemen, the Porsche 911 RSR. Kind of pretty special. And it's just this plastic thing that has bent, so hopefully that hasn't damaged the car. So of course I'm going to be opening the car as well. So let me move this aside. Let me open this. Take from here and inside to that. It's gonna come out. Oops. Oops. Oh yeah. Oh. Check this out. It's a proper, although it's slightly dusty as well, I would say. I think that's because this thing was damaged from here, and which is why I think all the dust has accumulated. But nonetheless, the car isn't damaged, and that's more important. Now, if you don't know what there's this 911 RSR. Which one should I show you on? This one, here we go. This one, here we go. So it's the 911 RSR. So the 911 RSR is one of the highest performing cars for the endurance races from Porsche. So these are the most rugged ones. They go through a long endurance stint, and then which is why you can see they have a lot of different designs as well. They have this duct in here. Even on the sides, there's a bit of a different design, more thicker arches as well. Out here there are thicker arches, and yeah, which is what I was saying, the side mirror is slightly bent, but I'm all right as long as the driver inside can see it. There's also this ducktail spoiler as well. There is also this huge spoiler in the back, and even in the back if you see there are like thicker arches, and also the whole back is quite broad as well. So yeah, I mean, I'm glad that nothing is broken. So I still want to remove this thing out from this and show you without this plank. So in order to do that, let me again cut it first. There's a tape here. I'll remove that, and I still need a screwdriver. So, and magically the screwdriver has arrived on this table. I just got it, by the way. So if I remove these screws, I'm gonna put that back. I think I would rather make a glass cover for it. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comment section below. Should I make like a glass cover for it? Because obviously the original box is quite damaged. I don't want to have that box because there's a lot of branding and stuff that is on it. I just want to keep the car as it is on this plank itself. It's just for you guys that I'm going to be unscrewing it and showing it so that you can see it in person what this car is. Oh, yeah, look at the amount of detail. There's also a diffuser at the bottom out here, so the details to the car are incredible. Even out here there's the front diffuser, and it's a flatter floor. And even on the real cars, the floor is quite flat to give you that downforce. And yeah, here's the pit, so you can open all those doors. Yeah, that's about it. So you can just open the doors, and the other bits you cannot open, but nonetheless, boy, I don't know how I can show you from the inside how it looks, but it's very real. It's the details, it's those tiny details that matter, and that really makes this car, or any actually scale car models, so attractive, because then you really like owning these cars. And if not the real one, at least this one. Now this is gonna go into the collection. And yeah, there are bits of scruffs on the side mirror. I don't know if it's obvious that they put it so that it looks like a real race car, or it's just due to travel that has happened. And the wheels also sort of turn around. Yeah, they do that. So yeah, it's a pretty cool thing, and I'm glad it wasn't damaged. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It actually also, let me know in the comment section below if you would like me to do more of these unboxing types of videos, so I can order more cars. Actually, it just gives me more reason to order more cars. So yeah, let me know in the comment section below, and I will make sure to get these videos for you, because obviously it's more fun for me and also for you, because this way we get to see these cars, not the real ones, but these ones. And it's a 1:24, by the way, scale model. I think that is pretty much it for this video. Give this video a thumbs up if you've liked it, and thank you for watching this video. And if you want to subscribe to my channel, then it's all your link and everything to the next video, so make sure you go there and check it out. Anyways, I'll wait for your comments and let me know in there below. Bye, take care, and stay safe.